To add your bank card to Fidelity, start by opening the Fidelity app and logging into your account. Next, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the Profile section, scroll down and select the Manage Debit Card option. This will display a range of options, including a list of debit cards currently linked to your Fidelity account. Click on the Add a new debit card or Add a new card option, which may be labeled as Link or Link Card or Add Card. Enter your card details, including the card number, name on the card, expiration date, and CVV. Then, click Add to proceed. Fidelity will verify your identity, which may involve sending a verification code to your phone number or email. Once you complete these steps, your bank card will be linked to your Fidelity account.